putting out enough clean power to keep the lights on across Europe. Now there's a way to take these old blades out of the wind and into the water. The Eldon Recycling Company in Faaborg, Denmark, custom builds machines that can shred heavy-duty loads of fiberglass scrap. 150-foot-long fiberglass turbine blades will be cut down and reformed into sleek, seaworthy powerboats. Fiberglass is made with glass or silica sand, spun into fibers, then woven into a synthetic fabric. Mix in resin and you've got a strong, lightweight, that's hard to break and even harder to recycle. A crane lowers a 10-foot pre-cut turbine blade onto skids. A worker cuts through the blade with a chainsaw. He slices it into 1-foot lengths. Woven fiberglass is so strong, it can withstand the pounding of 160-mile-per-hour winds for about 20 years. So grinding down the blades takes the most powerful shredder on the market. They call it the Super Chopper. 12-inch rotary blades rip the fiberglass into 6-inch chunks. A conveyor feeds the pieces into a granulator, which chews them into quarter-inch shred. 150-foot turbine blades have been reduced to shards of fiberglass that are ready to be transformed. Where Rand boats produce their electric power boats made with recycled fiberglass. The first step in creation is molding the boat's hull. A technician wears protective gear to shield him from the tiny fibers of sharp glass. He pats the fiberglass into the mold and sprays it with an adhesive to hold it in place. He lays on pieces of foam core made from recycled plastic bottles to add strength and rigidity. He spackles on a final top layer of fiberglass. The next step is to infuse the mold with resin to give it structural stability. The process is called vacuum resin infusion. First, the technician lines the fiberglass hull with mesh. This distributes the resin evenly and holds it in place. He feeds plastic vacuum tubing around the edges. Then, he covers the hull with a vacuum draws the air out of the mold and creates a seal. Next, the technician attaches hoses to valves in the plastic sheet. Resin feeds through the hose and is sucked into the mold. It saturates the mesh and coats the fiberglass surface. After drying for 6 hours, the boat cures to a smooth, hard finish. Next, the fiberglass hull and a molded deck are joined together. A painter sprays the recycled fiberglass pieces a glossy navy blue. Technicians mount the hatch and final components. The Rand boat is ready to launch. It skims through Copenhagen's canals on its maiden voyage.